So we seasoning the chicken wings. While we're doing that, we're going to prepare the buffalo flavor, chicken buffalo flavor. And I have here a garlic. So I'm gonna put in a bowl, all mixed together. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of chili powder. Onion powder. Tablespoon of onion powder. Paprika powder. You like it spicy, you're gonna love this. Mix up. And cayenne powder. There you go. So we're gonna mix all together. We're gonna need this when when the chicken wings is done cooking. He loves spicy, I like spicy, so this is for our dinner, chicken buffalo flavor. Okay, so we're gonna set aside this because we need it when the chicken is done cooking. And of course, we don't forget our vegetables to make the meal balance. So I have here carrots. Okay, we're gonna cut. A little bit. Good. So it's already rest for 4 hours. Now we're going to preheat the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to bake this for 20 minutes and then another 15 minutes. And look, I already prepared some platter in here. So we're going to have a ranch for dip, or I don't know which one you want, but I like ranch. I like anything. So, and yep, is this the powder? That's all the ingredients that we're going to put all after the chicken will bake. So we're gonna set aside and wait for the oven to be preheated.